Wait. Okay, it's on.
I can't skateboard on your hard wheels.
Huh? Okay. I don't know if I can skateboard on soft wheels. I think it's the same thing though.
No, it's different. You're riding a lot better, faster, and easier.
I cannot skateboard with a flip on the skateboard. I hate the skateboard. Move. You got it. Got it.
I hate a skateboard.
Why?
Yay!
Girl, I could have turned around, dude.
I'm gonna try to ollie. Don't laugh.
Okay.
The wheels aren't gonna come off the back. I mean, up on the back. No!
It's gonna be a fail at ollieing.
Oh. Oh.
Huh?
Shut up.
Shut up.
Oh.
I don't know what I just did.
Just looking at the still.
I hate your board.
People are watching me. Don't watch me.
Okay, I'm turned around.
I'm not kidding. Turn around. Liz, make sure your sister's turned around.
Turned around, child.
Like, stand in front of her and hold her head or something. Stand behind her.
Stand behind her and hold her head. No.
You can't watch me either.
Okay, come stand in front of her.
How are you gonna know you can do ollie?
Here we go.
Because the old lady's gonna see.
Why do you have my board?
Because I gave it to her to hold.
Okay.
Oh, that was a fail. I was like your ball.
Okay, give me my board.
Oh, there's something foot. This way. You know which one. Ah, that hit me in my
Well,
mouth.
mine's a double deck.
Oh my god. My nose. That was pretty cool. Get on this side of the road. Don't. It was standing. It was recording, I think.
I don't know.
I'm still going. Let's try.
It's a curl. I'm at a car. Hi. Oh, that's homosexual, bro.
No, that was the woman that walks up Harvey's and she
I did it. Girl, what you trying to do?